Man, y'all motherfuckers gonna get enough of coveting celebrities and shit. See, the Most High take away what you love most. That's not righteous. You get what I'm saying? Y'all idolize these rappers and shit. It's only a few of them that was pure at heart. And my brother Dolph and Nip is one of the few who are that needed to be here. So when we done told y'all there's gonna be a lot more deaths. It's gonna be people around y'all. But y'all not listen. Y'all still not doing what the Most High is telling y'all to do. Y'all still doing the same shit, especially you blogging ass niggas. Every time a rapper die, y'all gotta be the first to break the story. Man body still warm. That's disrespectful. I told y'all, when y'all do that shit and y'all get all them clicks and views behind that shit, it's like insurance money. And y'all gonna pay for that shit. Y'all gonna be punished. But that's neither here nor there. I want to talk to my chiefs, like Master P, all the fathers, and my star seeds, and the babies, like Romeo. Nigga, that is your father. If it wasn't for your father, my nigga, you wouldn't never had all the things that you have. You feel like you're entitled to something. He didn't have to give you that, sir. He didn't have to give you that. He could have been a deadbeat ass nigga and kept all the money to himself like some of these rappers do. He took care of his family. See, them people that run the industry love to see shit like that. They love that. Because that's one of their missions. To break up the families. You get what I'm saying? This ain't just started. It's been going on. Why y'all think they created apartments? Just like my brother 7 Grams, I love what he said today about learning the etymology of words. I done told y'all this over and over again. Learn the etymology of words. Apartments. Break that word down for a minute. Apartment. Because families used to live in homes. You had your grandmama, your mama, your uncles, your aunties, your cousins, grandkids. Everybody was one unit. So they started building shit like apartments and projects. You know what a project is? That y'all covet so much. Nigga, I'm from the projects. Nigga, I'm from the hood. I'm from the ghetto. That's they shit, nigga. That's they little trap. That's they little prison that they got for everybody that can't afford to live nowhere else. That's why so much chaos happen. They make sure that they supply y'all with all the tools you need to kill yourself. Liquor stores, dope, guns. Like I told y'all, y'all in a time of judgment. And y'all in the energy of where niggas can no longer throw rocks and hide their hands. Or hide behind the veil or hide behind the curtain. That's why everything is out. Y'all support the wrong shit. Y'all not supporting Kanye. Y'all not supporting Elder Rod Hayes, Young Elder, 7 Grams, Spinks Tarot. But y'all support bullshit. Y'all support death and destruction. Listen, little niggas. Never go against your father or your mother. You understand? Whatever problems you got, y'all handle that shit as a unit inside the family. Because can't nobody do shit for you on the outside that you can't fix on the inside. Always remember that, little nigga. I've never really honestly, I don't bite my tongue on shit. I've never honestly taken a liking to Romeo because I always felt like he was spoiled, overly spoiled as a grown man. And now, my nigga, you a grown man. Right about now, even if your father is broke, that's not for everybody to know y'all business. It's not for everybody to know y'all business. At this point in time, your father is your elder. You should be trying to take care of him instead of trying to bash him and make him look bad because you can't have what you want. Everybody know when you was younger, Master P put certain shit in your name. Everybody did that. We all did shit like that back in the day. But that don't make you entitled to it, nigga. He worked for that. Just because your name on it. And you sit up here and say that he ain't paid you in years. Nigga, he paid you with the gift of life. Huh? He paid you with this precious shit we call air. Air, water, earth, fire. Notice air is the first element that was here before anything. And you can't live without it. As my sister Spinks Tarot said, you can't live without it. It was the first element created. So that man gave you the breath of life, nigga. He gave you the breath of life. You understand? Now, Master P, to the fathers. Sometimes our kids hurt us. But you the elder. Sometimes you gotta let a little nigga have that. You hear me? Don't stoop to his level. You know what you did as a father. You know. You ain't gotta prove that shit to nobody. We saw it from the time he was born. And another thing, we got chiefs on the lane like Master P, Larry Hoover, Elder Rod Hayes, Young Elder, 7 Grams. We got chiefs. These guys are chiefs. Y'all know y'all gonna pay for that shit, kids. Y'all grab a hold to these babies and babies. Y'all hold on to y'all mothers and fathers. They are the most precious thing. Y'all don't realize the matriarch is sitting back on our rightful throne. We the heirs to this throne. Nigga, they told you your God was a magical nigga named Jesus flying around in the sky saving motherfuckers with a cape. When it's your mother. I'll be back. I gotta take some cough medicine. Like I said, I ain't feeling good. I was trying to go live for my soul family, but ain't nobody on. But it's all good. I just dropped another video. I say.